Today I'm going to show you how to view Chrome cache in a simple beginner-friendly way. This is a really useful trick if you want to see whether a web page is loading files from the cache, understand how Chrome stores resources, or troubleshoot why something looks old or isn't updating properly. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the web page you want to inspect in Google Chrome. This can be any site you want to test, whether it's your own website, a page you visit often, or a page that seems to be loading too quickly or showing outdated content. Once the page is open, you'll need to open Chrome DevTools. The fastest way to do that is by pressing F12 on your keyboard. If that doesn't work on your device, you can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect from the menu. That will open the Developer Tools panel, usually on the side or bottom of your browser window. Now that DevTools is open, look across the top of the panel and click the Network tab. This section shows all the files and requests the page loads, including images, scripts, style sheets, and other resources. The Network tab is where you can see how Chrome is handling those files behind the scenes. Next, reload the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard, or use the refresh button in Chrome. This step is important because the Network tab needs to capture the page loading process from the start. When the page reloads, Chrome will show you each request as it happens. Now, look for the Size column in the Network tab. This is where you can see whether files are being loaded from the disk cache or memory cache. If a file is served from cache, Chrome will usually indicate that in the Size column, which helps you tell the difference between a fresh network download and a cached resource. This is especially helpful if you're debugging a website, checking performance, or trying to confirm whether Chrome is reusing stored files instead of downloading them again. It can also help you figure out why a page isn't showing the latest version of an image, script, or style sheet. If you want to inspect a specific file more closely, you can click on it in the network list and review its details. But for quickly viewing Chrome cache activity, the main thing to remember is this. Open the page, open DevTools, go to Network, reload the page and check the Size column, and that's it. Now you know how to view Chrome cache in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more Chrome tips and browser tutorials.